guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we are going to be talking about my bathroom reorganization. All these shelves right here. I am a hoarder, was a hoarder, and stuff accumulates in a tiny house really fast. So the other day I went grocery shopping and I came home with a bunch of stuff and I couldn't fit it in here. So it drove me crazy and it made me want to stop everything I was doing, take everything out and reorganize it, declutter it, and just get rid of the things that I wasn't using. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna show you guys today how you guys could do it and help realistically get your mindset to get rid of the stuff if you're not using it. Okay, so basically I'm gonna start by taking all of the stuff off of these shelves, and I kept my kitchen counter clear so that I could put all this stuff on here so that I can clearly see everything that I use or don't use, and that's how I'm gonna analyze what I get rid of. Not much room in a tiny house to get through this little open door. This door doesn't open any further, so there's only so much I could do. Maybe I won't take so much, or I'll try to go through. I'm a hoarder. I feel like I'm still a hoarder. I have all of this stuff stored in that cabinet. Some of it I use, some of it I don't, but we're gonna put back in there the stuff that we realistically use. We've got a lot of space in there. These are fixed shelves, so we have to work with the size. Can already see some hoarder tendency right there. You know, I only need one. I mean, even with those, I kind of only need one. There's 8 boxes right there, but I found 3 more right there. So yeah, we're gonna have to work on this and see what we can get rid of, and then see how the reorganization looks at the end. All right, so the first thing I want to do is actually put into the cabinet everything that I am going to use so that it's out of sight, out of mind. I already know I'm gonna use it. I already know it's gonna fit, and it's all organized in there the way that I want. I'm gonna start with the biggest item, which is the paper towels. I struggle with the decision to put the biggest stuff on the top because then that stuff is mostly used, so I don't wanna have to crawl up on my shower and get step stools and stuff. So I think I'm gonna focus on putting the most used stuff in here. I like to put stuff on the right side. I like to do things in rows and categories. So we get a good 4 all the way down, which leaves 1 left. Now I do not need another one right now, and I kind of don't want to start another row, so I want to start like a row of something else. So I might just put this in another cabinet and use it as my next one. So let's do that. Next is toilet paper. I usually put about 3 rolls of toilet paper over by my toilet, which is on a rack above the toilet, which you can see right here. I like to keep several on hand because as I use the stuff, I'm constantly refilling it over there and then constantly taking it back from here. So we are going to open this. I've got 3 up there right now, so we need to fit 12 of these in here. I'm gonna start in the back again, give it another row. Looks like we can do 3. All right, looks like a row of, or a whole roll of 12 worked in that one little section, so yay! Okay, now we are going to work on Kleenex boxes. I usually have one in my office, the bathroom, and in my bedroom, so I'm constantly using them all the time, so that's why I get a lot. I stock up on them. When we store these in here, I do not want the plastic on them because in my opinion that is a hassle. It's just a hassle to have to take this off when you're in need of a Kleenex right away. You just want to grab the box. They even match my house. And now we're going to work on probably soaps and laundry stuff. No, actually let's work on these. We're going to put those in that spot where we had some room. These are big pads. They're going to be stored back there. Those are for the heavy days. And you know what? I actually switched from like Kotex and store-bought ones to like organic ones. And I'm even going to try to get rid of these and the tampons and the panty liners and all of that. And I'm going to switch to just the cup It's called like a menstrual cycle cup. Pretty soon this whole thing should be empty because I'm gonna replace these with one item. And then that's gonna save me money on buying all this stuff. Cool. Looks like we have a little bit of extra room up there. Now, I actually went ahead and switched these Kleenex boxes and put them up at the top. So what I did was I gathered all of the laundry stuff and I'm gonna put that in that hole right there. Probably, this is extra soap. The extra soap is like a refill, so we're just gonna put it all the way back there. Next, I don't use this. I'm actually going to be replacing both of these once they're used with these dryer balls that I got. And I think you're supposed to be able to put them in, or put like essential oils on them and then throw them in with your laundry. I have 2 sets, so once this is gone and this is gone, these are the only things that'll be taking up space. I got this thing called Wash Wizard on Facebook. I got into like, I'm a hoarder, so I started buying tons of crap off of Facebook and I bought this Wash Wizard. It says that you can use 1,500 washes. This is the soap, but problem is you have to soak it for an hour before you use it. And ain't nobody got time to soak this for an hour before I do my laundry. So I'm still using regular soap, but I'll give it a try someday because I spent money on it. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna sell it or get rid of it and then start buying this again. Next, we are going to, so I got these on Facebook also. I have one in the litter box area, one upstairs, one inside the compost toilet, and then I have 2 more. So these are extra. These 2 hair towels are extra. And yes, I got another shower curtain because I love my shower curtain. It's up there right now. So again, being a hoarder, I tend to buy 2s and 3s of everything just in case something discontinues. Then I'm pretty upset that I didn't get more than one. So with the things that I really, really love, I will get more than one of. Since all of these are extra, we're gonna put them up here. And we can put them all the way in the back because I don't need to use them at all right now. Next thing we are going to try to fit in there is this. And then we're actually gonna sort through all of this stuff to take out all the crap that we don't use, and then we're gonna put it back in there, and that will go on the left side of the bottom cabinet. So, as you guys can see, a lot of this stuff is going to be put back in here. But we still want to realistically see what we use and don't use. I do not use these lotions. Gone. Don't use this. I do not use this. All these pills I have not used and I don't know if I'm going to use, but it looks like they are still, oh yeah, no, these are expired. So 2016, they're gone. 2017 expired. I'm throwing those away. I guess I'll keep these in here. 2017, 2016. And that's what a hoarder does. A hoarder basically keeps everything. And here's the finished product. I put 2 other toilet papers up there. And I actually went to the dollar store and bought these 2 little baskets to neatly organize the things in there, and now it looks a lot better. So there you have it. That was reorganization of my bathroom cabinets and shelves. Again, I guess realistically I did not give that much stuff up, but according to, or trying to fit that stuff on the floor was what I needed to do to fit inside these shelves, was to reorganize and get rid of all that stuff just so they could fit. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe below, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell in order to receive a new video notification. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm going to start with the biggest item. Excuse me.
Don't you fuss! Who's fussing? So many cats.
If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to... So yeah. I hate this part.